Had all of you not kicked against my desire to marry Victoria, she would have still been alive. Had all of you not been so wicked to kick against my love for the woman of my choice, that girl would have still been alive. You know, I'm sitting here right now and I'm looking at all of you and I'm asking myself, how? I have not asked you to get the hell out of this place.
Please, calm down.
Hey, don't tell me to calm down. Yes. For you were the first to kick against my desire to marry Victoria. You were the first to walk out of that meeting on that day. And then you show up here to tell me to calm down. You are a hypocrite. That's what you are.
My prince, we all meant well for this community. We can sort things out. Please, calm your nerves.
You're heartless. You are a wicked man. What if she was your daughter?
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.